Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss on the topic social science, its nature, importance and scope. So as we know, social science is a broad term that refers to the study of human society and how people behave and interact in groups. It focuses on both individual and group behavior, institutions, culture, economy and politics. When we try to understand why elections are held and how money works in a country, why people migrate from villages to cities, all this come under the subject social science. So social science help us answer the important questions like why do people live in group, how are rules made in society. And now we are going to discuss on the different branches of social sciences. It mainly include anthropology, economics, geography, history, political science, sociology and psychology. As we know, anthropology is a study of human culture and evolution. Economics is a study of money, wealth and resources. Geography is a study of earth, land and environment. History mainly deals with the past events, and the political science which mainly focus on the study of government and politics. Sociology which deals with society and social behavior, and the psychology is a study of the human mind and behavior. Each of these subjects give us a different lens to look at society. Together, they help us understand life in a complete way. So now, we discuss on the different definition of social science from different scholars. First, James High. He says, social science is a study how people interact using both physical, which include land, money, and non-physical like values, emotion, etc. And Charles Beard said, it mainly focuses on knowledge about human affairs different from natural science like physics or biology. And Binning and Binning says, social science as a study of human society's development, especially man's relation with other men. So, social science is not just learning fact, it's all about understanding how people live, grow, work together and make decisions. So next, we are going to discuss what is social studies. So, social studies is a subject which is taught in school. It takes information from all the social sciences and combine them into lesson and helps students to understand the society. For example, when a student learns about Mahatma Gandhi, they learn history like freedom, struggle, etc. and civic which include rights and laws, geography like Indian maps and zoology the social reforms. So, social study is like a beautiful mix which include history, civic, geography, economics and all come together to help us become better citizens. So, by the definition of social studies by Michaelis, social studies deals with the human relationship and how people interact with each other and the environment. And according to NCSS, the National Council for the Social Studies, it defines it as a study that help promote civic competence, which helps students to become a responsible and an active citizen. The main goal of social studies is to help students understand their role in a society and participate actively and responsibly. We are going to discuss on the nature of social science. First, a unique combination of discipline. So as we know, it is not one subject but many disciplines working together. For example, a study on climate change includes geography, economics and politics. And next, it is a study of human relationship. It mainly focuses on how people interact in families, schools, office and countries. Third, it mainly deals with man's development through ages. It shows how societies has evolved from the Stone Age to the modern world. And next, it is a realistic course of study. Social science is based on real world situations and problems, and it is a core part of the curriculum. It is essential for every student to learn about society to become an informed citizen. And next, it also encourages the student to solve social problems like poverty or inequality, and it also teaches the values like cooperation, tolerance, equity and justice. So in short, social science teaches not just knowledge but life skills and how to live better together. So today we understood that social science is a study of human society and social studies is a way of teaching that knowledge to students. This subject help us become thoughtful, responsible and active member of society. So here we deals with what is social science and its different nature of social science. So thank you.